I've got a quick review for you of the FENIX E18R version 2.0. This is an EDC or everyday carry flashlight. As you can see, it is very small. I have chosen this as my new everyday carry light. I am a what some might refer to as a FENIX super freak fan. I love the FENIX lights. I've carried them for many years. I've chosen them over other lights, which I have tried out, and I have stuck with the FENIX brand for lots of reasons. Now, this light I love as an EDC carry for a few particular reasons, actually many different reasons. The main one in particular is the ability to lock this flashlight out from turning on in my pocket. That is done with a double press. As you can see, it shows it's locked. If I hold it down, it won't turn on, and that's one of the safety features. So if I do a double press, unlocks it, and then I can toggle through the different light settings. Now to lock it, I will then double press it. Let's turn it off. Double press it, it locks it, and I can rotate the clip to block the button as well, so it won't turn on in my pocket, which has been a problem on other lights. I also love this clip. It clips in the pocket. It will also clip on my my ball cap on my hat so I can use it kind of like a headlamp. Now the different light settings on this, we'll turn it back on, unlock it. It goes up to 1200 lumens, which is amazing for a tiny little flashlight like this. And I love the low setting as well. So if we toggle all the way through, the lowest setting is 1 lumen. It's very low. It's great for low light. It doesn't ruin your low light vision. I use that all the time. And then it toggles through the different settings. I believe it's 30 lumens. Let's see here. 150 lumens, 350, and then 1200 lumens, which really is amazing. Now, this is not technically a tactical flashlight, but with 1200 lumens, you can definitely defend yourself with that type of lumen, that type of light volume. Now, it's not tactical because it doesn't have a tactical tail switch, but this is a magnet, which I do use all the time as well. Just makes it handy to work hands-free. Now, that is my quick review of this flashlight. I highly recommend it. I love that it's rechargeable. Rechargeable plug here is the USB-C, which is the same for all of my other devices. So I highly recommend this flashlight and the FENIX brand in general.